Hey there, thank you so much for clicking my video. In today's video, this will be a wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by Fabulosity Hair. If you're interested in this wig, the direct store link will be in the description box as well as the wig link. Here's a close-up of what inside of the wig looks like. It's a full lace wig. There is no tracks. They already inserted a elastic band on the inside. You get 2 combs in the front, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. The lace is soft Swiss lace, and I love how it's already lightly tinted to brown. And this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. To me, the braids come really neatly constructed. I don't see any flyaways. As for the ends could use some straightening out, but we're going to handle that later. This is a close-up of what the hairline looks like. The baby hairs come braided, and the hairline comes lightly pre-plucked. I do wish it was plucked just a little bit more, and it had more of a jagged effect, but I'm still going to make it work. So again, this is a full lace wig, and I know some of you are probably wondering what the back look like, and it's definitely giving me more scalp compared to the frontal part of the wig. The hair is a little more thicker up there. And I really like how the knots come pre-bleached, so you don't have to go in and bleach the knots yourself. Now I'm going to take out the braided baby hair.
Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness.
So this part you definitely don't have to do. I'm just going in with my Andis hot comb and straightening out the baby hairs. I just personally would like it more straight. Off camera, I went and boiled some water. So I boiled the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm just gonna take a few sections of the braids and dip the ends into the water. Please be careful if you do this part because the water is very hot, so definitely try not to burn yourself. I'm trying to be super careful, especially since I'm doing this on camera. And after that, I go in with the towel just to dry the wet hair. And as you can see, it helped make the braids more straight.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So right here, I'm just cutting off the extra lace. I pulled back the baby hairs and I'm using eyebrow scissors. And I'm just taking the scissors and cutting right along the hairline.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space.
After I cut off the extra lace in the front, I'm also cutting off the extra lace in the back.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Now I'm going to take this bedhead hardhead spray and spray one layer of this on the hairline of the lace, and then I'm going to blow dry it until it's completely dry. If you would like more of a hard hold throughout the day, and if you sweat a lot, then I recommend at least 2 to 3 layers of spray.
Too caught up in your love. just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day.
I'm gonna be honest, I was struggling with these baby hairs. I didn't know what kind of baby hair style to give y'all, so I was just playing with it, playing with a few swerves here and there. I know the baby hairs look a little extra. It's not my kind of baby hairs for every day, but I wanted to try something new, especially since this hairline is like super straight. So I'm gonna show you guys what the braids look like straight down before I go ahead and style it. Right here is my end results of this wig show and tell, and I'm just going to say my thoughts on what I think of this box braided wig from Fabulosity Hair. I love how the braid construction came. It looks like I got my hair done professionally, but I skipped the long, hurtful booty hours sitting in the salon chair. And even though this is a long braided wig, I love how it doesn't have a heavy weight to it. I do feel something on my head, but it's nothing that's going to break my neck. My height is 5'6", and this is where the braids fall on me, all the way down to my Fashion Nova jammies. I would say it's about 28 to 30 inches on me. Depending on what style you do with this wig, you can see two different shades on the lace, but that's just how full lace wigs are sometimes. You can go in and apply makeup powder on top of the lace towards the middle part of the wig. That will help the two different shades of lace be less noticeable. But I do wish the lace in the middle came with a little bit more hair. It's serving scalp, but too much scalp compared to the frontal part of the wig. Also, the hairline is just a little bit straight. I'm not a big fan of the super straight, thick hairlines on me. It comes lightly pre-plucked. I just wish it came a little bit more pre-plucked. It's definitely not a bad wig at all. I still recommend, especially if this is the kind of style and thick density of braids you're going for. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.